New tonight, juveniles in trouble. New data shows that certain crimes involving this group are up this year compared to the same time last year. Tonight, I met with a judge who's face to face with these juveniles. He helps break down the numbers and shares how he handles these cases behind the bench.
On this bench, I have two jobs: keeping them alive and out of the adult system.
In this juvenile court, Judge William Cruz comes face to face with young people in trouble.
I'm trying to get the bigger picture. They're more than just a case file. There's history, there's trauma, there's lack of parental supervision. 35 years in the Texas Department of Criminal.
The juveniles coming into his courtroom, some of them are barely hitting their teenage years.
Especially our young ones. I mean, they're so short, they can't even come above the bench.
Some of them facing serious charges like murder. New county numbers involving juveniles are broken down by several offenses, from felonies to misdemeanors. We're focusing on the year to date through May this year compared to the same time frame last year. Murder and manslaughter doubled this year. Judge Shaw says that doesn't tell the whole story.
And we're seeing a lot more actually filed murders year to date. These murders could have taken place 2022, 23, 24, but just the investigations are now complete and they're all coming in pretty much at the same time.
The other crimes higher at the start of this year compared to last are burglary and assault. The judge adding these kids are becoming more bold.
A lot has to do with social media, cell phones.
Judge Shaw tackling these cases all differently, saying not everyone is the same.
But once we find out exactly what these kids are dealing with and what their parents are dealing with, we can hopefully guide them in the right way and get them the services they need.
Bottom line, the judge told me his goal is to never see these kids again in his courtroom. He also added in the summer, numbers tend to go down. He says, of course, that changes when school resumes again.